What started as a routine traffic stop for a suspicious license plate turned into a wild, high-speed chase through Atlanta.
Line 36-1. Can you check and see if anybody kept his gentleman's wallets with the dirt bike? It's in the house. I took his license out and put it back on the shelf next to the TV. Yeah.
884 University of Prior.
I think the engine. Here's what you need.
Start this way. I'm in the Chevron parking lot. 884. That'll be 1038. It's gonna be a silver Charger, New Jersey 1028. Adam 48. Nora Robert Adam. Adam 48. Nora Robert Adam.
884. What state's that tag out of?
New Jersey. I got to come back to the Toyota.
You got it pulled over 884?
Yeah, 10-4. But he stopped in a really weird place. He might take it easy. 1080.
West on 48. West on 48. West on 48. Atlanta, if you can hear me, I believe I've got them at 48, just crossing over McDaniel Street. And then tell me just move the light there.
825 Atlanta, I got it going westbound RDA. Passing Humphreys.
Alright, aviation's got it. Well, westbound RDA coming up to Glen Street at Metro. Alright, continue straight on RDA through Metro. Coming up to Murphy, straight through Murphy. Straight through Whitehall, still westbound RDA. Still westbound RDA. Still westbound RDA, clear. Yeah, still westbound RDA, just past J Legend, definitely go. Still westbound, just past Walton, in and out of traffic. High speed, westbound RDA still. Through Langhorne, still westbound on RDA, taking a right onto...
Clear left, clear right.
Still RDA. That's right, RDA. Still with, I guess still westbound on RDA now. Yeah, send it back toward you, okay. RDA headed back towards him, okay. Aviation, we don't have visuals, so keep the update coming quick. Okay, I've got terrible comms right now. We're still RDA. Coming up West Lake, but still RDA.
I see him 37, he's up ahead.
Alright, taking a right on his okay, eastbound. Where's my Jags? Is him okay now? Still eastbound is okay. Just past Laurel Avenue. Still eastbound is okay.
37 is all I got.
Eastbound, him okay, past Laurel.
37 is all I got, so if you can come around.
Alright, he's stuck behind the car right now. He just tapped that car right here. I'll come back to that. He's still on those okay. Coming up to right, left on Chapel. Left on Chapel. Alright, each five. I'm gonna get right as soon as I can. Still north on Chapel. That crosses the clear. Still north on Chapel.
Clear light traffic, come on.
Clear, just crossed over JB, north on Chapel. North on Chapel, crossed over JB.
Stop sign!
Left the north, he took the left on the North Avenue. Yep, left on the North Avenue. Left on North Avenue from Chapel. Alright, I think we're reeling it back in. We got sight on him now. He's taking a ride on that Elmwood. He took a ride on that Elmwood going northbound. Coming up to Donnelly Hollowell. He took the left on the Hasley place. Took the left on the Hasley. Crossed over Westlake, went straight, that turns into Tom's Drive.
Stop sign.
Somebody's on North Avenue, keep going and turn right on Evelyn. You'll run right into him. Coming up to Madrona, took a right on the Madrona Street. Coming back up to Westlake. Madrona took a right on the Westlake, so he's southbound on Westlake. Just crossed over North Avenue, still southbound on Westlake. Still southbound on Westlake, yep. Just crossed over JB, southbound on Westlake. Alright, 1050, did he hit that car?
Yeah, 10-4, he's gonna push on, he's missing a tire.
896 and with y'all. Alright, he's on the rim, front right tire's gone. 1050, Westlake, right there, yeah, y'all got him. White shirt, runs to the yard, troopers behind on 190 is the new barrack. 190 West Lake. Oh, we just fell down. Troopers, they're not running. 190 West Lake.
Shut up, dude.
295, 295. Clear, 295, 943, 295, 190 West Lake.
Alright.
943, was that the only one?
No, that car up there, and then this other car here. He probably done killed somebody with that car. Alright, 39.
396, still on call, please.
Dude, I tried to get around you, but the roads are just too narrow. I was gonna stop.
Hey, yeah, you know you're at 10
I was gonna stop. And I saw you shoot by.
That's here to be 10 boys, man. Any unit on the ground, you tell me if there's more than one or two people get out. We got one by three, one crash.
I was running after him and he was shooting. I was like, well, I guess he's mine. It's just one or two, yeah. He hit a silver car up there at Boone. No.
And then her car's down in the...
Yeah, so he hit three total, yeah. One before Boone, the silver one at Boone.
Somebody advised, I'm going to check on that car that they hit, make sure they're alright.
Yeah, he's the only one that got out. That's the one he hit. And then went in here.
Hey, he's really the only one that
I didn't know which way over. I saw
he's
you
sitting on
out.
that yeah.
I saw you. You said the car, you're with us. And I was chasing him.
Hey, Jay,
And I saw
he
you.
was the
Oh,
only
yeah,
one
we
in the
were.
vehicle.
And I saw you coming. And
I'm at 10 boys, y'all have that location where 1050 with that
couldn't
first
tell if you were
line.
going down Tiger Fly.
we were coming up towards you.
And then I saw y'all coming back. I was like,
West Lake Court, West Lake
I said, oh, he's going to be straight speed. I see.
But these are 896 Skidmores, I think. No, I'm just kidding.
3943 West Lake Court, West Lake Ave, female with facial injury.
Let me see.
25 years of age.
884 started it.
If he wants me to take, I was in it.
Yeah, I just happened to pass him on RDA, and I was trying to get to it.
Yeah, he definitely hit that wire. I started feeling y'all.
Okay, yeah. Where was that first crash? You said you hit a going to work.
Alright.
Yeah, 10-4, let me go back and rewatch the video and I'll get it to you. Stand by. Have them call this
She
year.
just happened to be out here.
It was around MLK and Laurel, MLK and, well, somewhere right there. North Jackson.
Is there anybody in it?
36
Westlake Court, Westlake Ave, Westlake Court, Westlake Ave. 51 for the Charger, and also need another 51 for a blue sedan down in the woods that he hit. Dude, we were on him. When he started making all the turns, we reeled him right in.
Me and Tart reeled y'all in.
But we were driving as hard as we could in these little narrow city streets. And the sad thing is, I had a little bit more than him, but I couldn't get around him.
Last thing I was looking at Tarpley to go around me, but damn, where's Bullock at? This is his party.
Well, Gonzalez said he's going to take it since he was majority of it. Because I was on RDA. He passed me on RDA, and he's like, oh, we came with RDA, I don't know where he went. Let's go, he just went east. I turned around, he blew the light, and then Gonzalez picked him up.
I was at that awkward distance where I was with y'all, but I wasn't with y'all.
Yeah.
But it all ended.
You were close.
Back, but I was close at the same time.
You were
know
real
what I mean?
close. Because I was running, and I saw you coming, I was like, oh, get him.
Yeah.
I was going to stop.
Me and Tart were just too far out of it. I was hoping he'd come back to Donnelly, and that was going to be a hat ass.
Yeah.
All right, who needs one?
You know what the vehicle looked like? I'm not the only MLK here towards Chapel. The man struggle with it.
Alright, Gonzalez, what you doing?
I'm about to say,
You gonna take pursuit?
who's doing what?
Talking about that car that he 1050 away, it was a wider.
After crashing into multiple vehicles and fleeing on foot, the suspect was finally tossed and taken into custody, only to be linked to a stolen car and several active warrants.